A question that I get a lot from our clients is when I introduce our partnership with K2 is, how are you going to find me 30K savings? David, touch on this just a little bit. What's your average savings per client? And what are some of the big areas right out of the gate where you guys are seeing opportunity?
Absolutely. So average savings we're seeing for clients, and it's important to note that every client's in a different range, but about $32,000 is what we're seeing. And every client we've seen since that average of $32,000 a year annually, we've seen that number going up with every new interview and conversation, which has been rewarding for not just us in being the hunters of that, but also to our clients who can redirect that cash now. The biggest thing is this. I really believe when it comes to taxes, we're running into a lot of preparers of taxes and reactive people in our tax. It doesn't mean your CPA is a bad guy or gal and that they don't have your best interest at heart. It just means they've gotten used to the rhythm of working with non-working business owners or people who are not really proactive or strategic with their wealth. And so for somebody who works with like PWS or who's worked with K2, the value that we found is we got to get back to proactive. We got to get back to personalization. And there are questions behind the questions. So if you're somebody who has done a lot of research and you're like, guys, I've seen a lot of tax strategies. I know a lot about them. There's a couple of stages I always have to ask yourself, where are you in this stage? Are you somebody who knows a lot about taxes or doesn't know a lot about taxes? And then if you know a lot about taxes, are you actually implementing them or not? So those are the important questions. You can know a lot, but if you don't know how to implement, you're still just as far away as you were when you didn't know. And so that's what we really work on for our clients. And we're looking at things relating to your family, relating to your business. If you're not a business owner, what are other things that you could be doing with your investments in real estate? We unpack it all for you.
That's great. It makes me think of implementation. And, this is not just something where we're sitting around talking. A lot of us at this table have implemented these things, have taken the opportunity and reaped the benefit from them.